I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from opening pop-ups in new tabs. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome web browser on a desktop device, click the ellipses next to your profile icon to open a menu, and then click Settings in that menu. The associated screen opens. Step 2. Click Privacy and Security in the menu on the left side of this screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and then click Site Settings. Step 4. Scroll down to the Content section and then click Pop-ups and Redirects. Step 5. Navigate to the Default Behavior section and then click to select Don't Allow Sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Pop-ups will no longer open in new tabs in Google Chrome. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.